What it would be like without electricity.
I wouldn't seem to be coming back. I don't see any fruit on it. There should already be.
You didn't always have electricity when you were out in the military, right?
I know.
Did you guys have? Did you have electricity when you were in the Navy?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So you were on the base that had electricity?
Oh yeah, everything.
Oh, good.
Everything. We had it all.
Good. Well, I remember you made a washing machine, right?
Yeah.
What kind of motor did you use for the washing machine?
About a 3 horsepower little gasoline engine. And I used a gear system for that, that raise and lower the landing gear.
Oh, okay.
And I built that to a thing, and it washed the clothes.
And then what happened when you washed the clothes? Tell me about what happened one time when you washed the clothes.
The throttle stuck.
And was it making?
I heard something out there going. And I wonder what the hell that was. And finally it dawned on me. And I run out there. It was in a tent, a 16-foot tent, and it was in there. And the other that washing machine was going right, and it was shredded. It just tore my clothes all up, and then threw them up in the rafters.
Was there soap everywhere too?
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah.
It's different going backwards, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's different. I never rode in the back yet.
Yeah. Bump.
Bump. You got the bumps down.
Bump.
Bump. Now you got to memorize them backwards.
I don't think I need sunglasses.
Oh, you're right. I'll take them off, okay?
Nice job.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
Well, even though I moved out, I'm glad I got to see you again tonight.
Yeah.
I want to make my visits pretty regular so I can come see you.
Yeah.
See you and Pat.
Yeah. Boy. Lord.
Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
3
sir.
bags full.
3 bags
One
full.
for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
I was close.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool?
Whoa.
Hey, slow down.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I didn't see that.
When he says whoa, slow down.
That was the big
He doesn't have the best heart, okay? I mean, he's got a big heart.
Boy.
Oh, the grass. Maybe to catch some runoff.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 bags full.
Yeah.
How's the other one go? I'm tired and I want to go home. I had a little.
Send me the way to go home. I'm tired and I want to go to bed. And I had a little drink about an hour ago, and it went right to my head. No matter where I roam, on land or seas of foam, you will always hear me singing this song. Show me the way, oh, show me the way to go home, home, home. Show me the way to go home.
Really?